Why, hello there. My name is Holly, your public servant, and I am making a public service announcement regarding New Jersey's heat wave. We want you to be prepared. So New Jersey and I, strong together, have come together to give you some pointers of clothing that you should wear in preparation for our heat wave. You want to be careful. So today, on our public service announcement, we're going to help you prepare to take out the garbage. Yay! We're going to take out the garbage and we're going to show you how to dress properly for the heat wave. There are serious things going on outside. A blizzard of heat. It's above 90. The humidity is wretched and stormy. There's very sick stuff. Contagious people too. There's viruses. Very, very, very bad things outside. And I need to make sure that you're protected. So again, New Jersey and I have come together to give you a public service announcement on how to properly dress while taking out the garbage. First, we want to be concerned about microwaves and scalar waves and satellite waves and ELF and EMF waves. So we're going to prepare for that first. This will be our first line of defense and our first layer for the heat wave. Now that we've protected ourselves from those pesky microwaves, we want to remember the second layer. We want to keep covered so our sweat and perspiration is picked up by our clothing and not on us. We want our clothing to pick up the sweat and perspiration. So remember the second step. Stay dry. Stay dry. Our third layer. We want to be concerned about UV rays. Those pesky rays penetrate through everything. We want to make sure that they don't get through to our skin and cause us danger. So again, we want to stay covered. That way, we give ourselves our own shade from the UV rays and our own shade from the sun. Oh, okay, so the nuclear drill test is over. We can go back to shooting now? Okay, great. Now that we've created our own shade and we've covered up so those pesky UV rays don't get through to us, and remember our first step, and get rid of those microwaves. Second step, stay dry. Make your clothes absorb the sweat. Third step, UV. Fourth step, don't forget those very, very scary, contagious things that are out there. We want to put our masks on. Yes, and you know what? It's always a good idea not to only wear one mask, but two masks. Sometimes a very good cautionary person will use 3 masks. And don't forget the good solid footwear. You don't want to step on any hot concrete or worse, hot blades of grass. Now, don't forget hand gear. You always want proper hand gear because your hands, you do a lot with them. Believe it or not, you use your hands most often during the day. And you want to consider that, you know, especially for those keyboard warriors out there. Protect your hands. But since I have to be my own camera crew, I can't, I'm going to have to keep my hands free. But you, we worry about. And again, New Jersey and I have come together to keep you safe and strong. Oh, last but not least, I'm going to take my fur with me just because, you know, that's a sign of being rich. And I am the anchor to this broadcast, so don't forget that fur. You got to get that tucked in there. Don't want to lose it. All right. And because it's summer, don't forget to have fun. Last but not least, wear your cool shades. And we're ready. We're ready to take out the garbage. Remember here, this is our New Jersey heat wave public service announcement. We love you. Stay strong. Okay, this is the hairy part. This is a very hairy part. You see, the second we step into that sun, we're going to get in a fight. It's going to toss us and crumble us. So we just want to jump in and get used to it real quick. But ultimately, we want to walk in the shade and create our own shade because the heat wave is terrible. Oh, it's the sun. Oh, it's terrible. It's killing me. It's destructive. Oh, sun, it's terrible. See, keep yourself shaded. Remember, you stay safe and use your protective handwear, but I have to run my own videos. So remember, create your own shade and stay covered at all times. The sun is bad, very bad. And if you can, hide from it at all costs. We've got an obstacle. Uh-oh. I don't think I can fit through it. We're going, guys. Okay. We made it. We made it. No, I'm serious. You gotta hide from that sun. That sun's trying to steal my richness. Look, guys. You gotta stay close to the house. It's killing me. We're almost there. Uh-oh. We're gonna have to make a break for it. We made it, guys. We made it. We fought the UV. We fought the sun. We created our own shade. We took out the garbage. We stayed dried. We did it, guys. New Jersey and I, with you together, we did it, and we're staying strong. Remember, protect yourself from that heat wave. It's a blizzard out there.